Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making duck breast with cherry port reduction. This recipe takes 25 minutes to prep and 30 minutes to cook. Serves 4 and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 4 mallard breasts, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoons black pepper, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 cup fresh or frozen tart cherries, half cup port wine, shallots, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons cold butter, 1 sprig fresh thyme, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Breast preparation. Score skin in cross-hatch pattern. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Let come to room temperature, 30 minutes. Reduction start. Combine cherries, port, and shallots in saucepan. Simmer until port reduces by half, about 12 minutes. Step 3. Pan searing. Heat oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Place breasts skin side down without oil. Cook 6 to 8 minutes until skin is golden and crispy. Step 4. Flipping. Flip breasts and cook 2 to 3 minutes more. Transfer skillet to 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Step 5. Oven finish. Roast 6 to 8 minutes until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Step 6. Resting. Remove from oven and rest breasts 5 minutes under foil tent. Step 7. Sauce completion. Add balsamic vinegar and honey to cherry mixture. Simmer 3 minutes, then whisk in cold butter and thyme. Step 8. Slicing. Slice breasts diagonally against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. Step 9. Plating. Fan sliced duck on plates and drizzle with cherry port reduction. And that's how you make duck breast with cherry port reduction. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.